Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by validating the backup and environment. Check the backup file path, confirm it's a full or appropriate differential/log backup, and verify checksum or restore verifiably. Next, make sure you have sysadmin rights and enough disk space on the target server. If not, pause and allocate more. Once done, set the target database to single user or take it offline so files can be overwritten. Now run the initial restore command with Norcovery if you plan more restores. You now execute the main restore commands. Use restore database with move clauses to map logical names to the correct physical MDF/LDF paths. This avoids file path conflicts. If you have additional differential or log backups, apply them in chronological order using restore. With Norcovery, so the database remains ready for further restores. Make sure to monitor the job output for errors and confirm the backup sequence matches the original backup chain to maintain transaction consistency. You finish by recovering and validating the database. Execute restore database with recovery to bring the database online. This finalizes transaction replay. After recovery, run dbcc checkdb to detect corruption and perform quick application smoke tests or queries to confirm expected data is present. If something goes wrong, stop and read the SQL Server error log and restore messages. Often the issue is a missing log in the backup chain, file permission, or wrong move path. Correct the root cause and reapply necessary restore steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.